All right.
Thank you so much. Hello, everybody. My name is Anders Renvall. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ezesystems, and we're based in Folsom. We make things smart. In every window of a Krispy Kreme, you'll see a neon sign. That neon sign is lit every time they cook fresh donuts, so you're going to know that it's time to line up and get a fresh box of donuts. Now, a few years ago, they wanted to widen their reach, so they were thinking, can we put this signal online somehow, on social media and on apps? Now, they needed to network 300 stores with different architecture, different types of infrastructure. We helped them do that with 300 stores in less than 1 week. ezesystems today has about 3,000 systems installed, mostly in the US, UK, Scandinavia, and Australia. We have active partnerships with ABB and Continental Control Systems, and we have about 100 active customers, some of which you can see here, some Fortune 500 and some smaller. Now, obviously, we do a lot of other things than monitor neon signs. Many types of commercial and industrial equipment use our system to monitor for electricity, monitor for efficiencies, and to control what's being done remotely, such as inverters, commercial pools, even lighthouses use our technology. Now, there's a problem with getting things online. This is Internet of Things, and there's a problem with Internet of Things as it stands today. It's very complicated. You've got to get a lot of pieces working together in order to get a secure and working system. It's kind of like it was to buy a PC 30 years ago. You've got to get the hard drive in one place, the motherboard in another, and then worst of all, you basically have to write your own software and operating system. We turned this thing around. Our system is, this causes incompatible, complicated, expensive, and maybe most of all, not secure systems. Take Ericsson, for example. Ericsson had about 100 smart meters, or wanted to have about 100 smart meters in their main headquarters. They had been working for a year with an established SCADA system to try to get this working. We solved it for Ericsson in an afternoon. Target had a big breach with credit cards that were leaking out. That whole breach started in the HVAC system. Just an example of what happens when you have a badly implemented IoT system. So we turned this around. We have a product that is a standard, flexible hardware. It's a system that works end-to-end, so all the communication, all the pieces between you and your hardware is already taken care of. There's no software, no servers, or anything like that. We are basically the Macintosh of IoT. We make this thing just work. Now, we have a very flexible business, a simple, flexible business model. We sell a piece of hardware, a standard hardware, and we have that connected to a web service, which brings in recurring revenue for us. Right now, our hardware sales is more than our recurring revenue, but with a growing install base, that's changing, and we're basically going to have, they're going to be more or less equal, or even have the recurring revenue surpass the hardware sales with time. We have a system that is in full production, and so far we're 100% bootstrapped. We are mostly selling through value-added resellers, partners, and we're now scaling up to build a representative networks for sales representatives across the US, and eventually go to focus on OEM sales, where we integrate directly with the manufacturer's equipment. The market for this is huge. Cisco and DHL recently released a report saying that 50 billion devices are going to be online, or 50 billion things are going to be online by 2020. Now, the interesting thing with that is that 85% of these things already exist. They just need to be able to talk on the internet. So that's where our market is for this product. We are now raising a run of $500,000, and we're going to use that for two major things: market and visibility. We are building our representative networks of sales rep. We're attending trade shows and building new partnerships. We're also building a multilingual UI so that we can scale to the rest of the world with our product, and we're optimizing it for OEM implementations. We have a unique product that is fully market tested, we're going to make a lot of things smart the next few years. Thank you.
All right, I'm not going up on stage.